Good afternoon. This is now our 16mm deform bars, which is to be used for the mat footing, and this one is 20mm deform bars to be used for the column post for the footing. Then use now our stirrups for the footing, and this is the 10mm to be used as dowels and horizontal for the CHB laying. This is now the 20mm with overlap here. This is now the beam we use for the beam. Tiye pala ko.
Yan.
Makasintane wari.
Bukas ko na ganyan kasi malampot na. Alay kaya pa dito.
Bayo ya kabit tabasan yun eh. Bukas. Mag-break na ko pa. This is now for the wire mesh.
Parilya na rin.
Parilya. Di 20 la.